I thought that I would just post a little video here saying a Ask Missy again. Yay! It is the Ask Missy video. Feel free to ask me any question that you want to. Please keep in mind that some of the questions may have to be a little bit more age appropriate. No cuss words if so. Thanks. That's all I gotta ask. Feel free to ask me anything, just please watch the language. Other than that, feel free to ask. If you want to ask me anything on any of my other social media, hashtag it Ask Missy, or Ask Missy Von Monroe, and yeah. So with that, don't forget to check out all my other social media at Missy Von Monroe. I got a Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook. Vine, Kick, you got it all. So, with that, yeah, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Yeah, if you want any other cool videos or random videos, feel free to comment. So, yeah. Bye, guys.